Hello children, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do class 9th maths chapter 2 polynomials, division of polynomials. How to divide polynomials, this is what we are going to understand. So here this is the dividend part and this is the divisor part. So I have written the divisor part here and the dividend inside as we usually do for numbers. Now here this is x plus 1. So with which number you should multiply x, only x, see only x here right now, so that you can get x cube here. Okay, so if I this is my x and I have to get how much? I have to get x cube. Now if I multiply it by x square, 2 plus 1 3, I will get x cube. So I know if I multiply x to x square, I will get x cube here. So I'll simply write here x square. Understood? So x multiplied by x square will give me x cube. Now there is one more thing here, that is 1. So firstly let me write here x cube, but there is one more term here, so 1 here. So 1 multiplied by x square is x square itself. 1 multiplied by any number is that number itself. So I'll simply place a line here, and then because this is division, so I have to what? I have to subtract here. So I am subtracting. Now plus x cube minus x cube gives me 0, and minus 3x square minus x square gives me 4x square. Now look here, this is minus 3x square minus x square and it gives me minus 4. Why does that happen? In addition or subtraction, addition, if two things are there, two numbers are there, one number sign is positive, other number sign is positive, then you will add those two numbers. Your operation will be addition here. Similarly, if one number is positive, other number is negative, you will subtract that thing. Similarly, if some number is negative, other number is negative, you will add those two numbers. So here both the numbers were negative, so we added it. But then why are we having a negative sign here? Because sign is always of bigger number. So here it was like minus 3x square minus x square. So minus minus means what? We have to add here. So we added. We got here 4x square. Now we added, we got 4x square, that is correct. But which sign? 3 is bigger than 1. 3 sign is negative, so minus. That is why we have written here minus 4x square. Now what? So we got minus 4x here. So now here one more number is there. So I'm just placing this number down. I'm dropping this number down. Now x, again x. So with which number should I multiply x so that I get minus 4x square? This is what you should be thinking while dividing in the polynomials. So x, and what you have to get here? Minus 4x square. So I know if I multiply it by x itself, I will get x square, but I need minus 4 also. So I will multiply it by minus 4x. So then I will get x multiplied by minus 4x means what? Like here I will show you x multiplied by minus 4x. X multiplied by x, x square, minus 4 multiplied by minus 4x. So I get minus 4x square. What is happening? A positive negative number, positive negative in multiplication. If one number is negative, other number is positive, your answer will be always negative. This one you should remember. So negative, positive, negative, 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 positive, and positive, positive, positive. This one. So here it is minus 4x square. So I know minus 4x, if I multiply x by minus 4x, I get minus 4x square. Now there is one more number. So 1 multiplied by minus 4x, by the same number you have to multiply. So 1 multiplied by minus 4x, 1 multiplied by minus 4x. 1 multiplied by any number will give the number itself. And this is positive negative, so negative itself. So minus 4x. So I'll write here minus 4x. Now this is division that we are doing here, so we have to subtract. So negative sign I have placed. Now look here, negative is always positive. Like this one, negative is, you have to, negative is always positive, and operation will be, so the sign is now changing. It is not negative anymore. So this is like written here like minus 4x square plus 4x square. So this is 0. It will cancel out, it is 0. Here it is negative, negative, positive. So it is actually written like minus x and then this is minus minus positive, so positive 4x. So it is 3x minus positive, you have to subtract, but the sign will be of the bigger number, so positive 3x. So here we will write positive 3x. So this one also done. Now this thing is here, so we will drop this thing also down, plus 5. Now x with which number should we multiply to get 3x? Plus 3. So 3 multiplied by x is 3x and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, so plus 3. Now same thing, always remember put negative negative sign. Likewise I have put negative negative sign here. Negative, this is negative, negative 3x plus 3x is 0. Now here what is written here? It is plus 5. Look here, this one here is plus 5 and plus minus. Plus minus is always minus, so minus 3. Now the sign is now positive. Earlier it was positive. Because of this negative sign, it has changed to negative. So plus 5 minus 3. So we subtract, because positive minus we have to subtract here. When we subtract, we get 2. And which sign should we put here? 5 is bigger than 3. 5 sign is positive. 3 sign is negative. So we will put positive. That is no need to put. Simply we can write here 2. If 5 was minus and 3 was positive, then it will be minus 3. But in this case, it is positive 2. So this is the remainder. Okay, so no need to write zeros here. I have just shown you because this is your first time that you are seeing it. And the answer here is 2. Okay, so this is the remainder. This is a normal way of finding remainder by dividing polynomials. Now, we have done the previous video, we understood about remainder theorem. Now let us do it by remainder theorem. Simply writing it RT so that you understand this remainder theorem. Now the same question I will try and solve it with the help of remainder theorem so that we can get the remainder. Here we found out the remainder to be 2. Now let us see if it is possible to do it likewise. So in this remainder theorem, same question I am writing. I am not changing the question so that you see that the answer is always same. So this is the polynomial that has to be divided by gx. The gx value is same thing, that is x plus 1. Now what you have to do is always take the gs and equate it, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to means x is equal to, you can shift this one to the other side, you will get minus 1. Now you have got the value of x here, that is minus 1. Simply what you have to do is place this value in your px polynomial. Instead of x, wherever you find x, substitute it by minus 1. So p minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 and minus 1 square minus, again do not confuse, there is a minus sign here, but now x's value you have to change. So x's value is minus 1 plus 5. Now minus 1 cube, that is 3 times you are multiplying minus 1. One way you can write it like minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So it is like 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, but with sign minus minus plus, plus minus minus. This is your multiplications thing. Whenever something is minus, it will be plus. The sign will be after multiplying, you will get it plus. If one number is negative, other number is positive, then you will get negative. Minus plus, plus. So this thing you have to remember. This is for multiplication and this one is for addition and subtraction. So two different things are going on here. Now this is one way. Other is if your power is in odd, power is an odd number, then your sign will not change. That is, here it will be minus 1. How many times you multiply, the sign will be minus itself. If the power is even, the sign will change. So this also you can remember. Minus 3 and then here power is 2. 2 is even. Minus 1 is written, so its power, its sign will change. It is negative. Now it will be positive. So no need to write, simply 1. And here minus minus, we know when we multiply minus by minus we get positive. So positive 1 plus 5. Now look here, minus 1 is here, minus 3 multiplied by 1. Minus 3 multiplied by 1 means negative, positive. It is always negative, so minus 3. So minus 3 plus 1 and plus 5. This is what is written. So here you simply have to cancel out minus 1 plus 1. Now it is 5 minus 3. 5 when you subtract when you subtract 3 from 5, you get 2. Sign, because 5 is bigger, its sign is positive, so positive 2. So this is the remainder here when you place minus 1 in place of your x. So this is remainder theorem. From remainder theorem you can find quickly your remainders. Likewise, so division also you can find, both the remainders are same. So same thing. Only fact is that if you are applying remainder theorem, it will be very easy and quick for you and finding the remainder. So hopefully you must have understood what is remainder theorem, what is division of polynomial, how can you apply it. If you have, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now I'll meet you all with a new video. Until then, bye and thanks for watching.